Good afternoon, y'all. Super short video today, just to give you a quick update. We had our weekly developer circle this morning, or our playtest circle rather, where some colleagues and I, we all get together and we playtest some of our games and give each other feedback and just get sort of like the gratification of like having your game be presented to somebody and having them, have the opportunity to go through it and experience all the feelings that come from playing a game, and you being able to witness that. It's quite an amazing thing, and it's been very motivating. It's been very inspiring. It's been very it's been fun, and it's been very helpful. Like, we've been doing these for a few weeks now, and I feel a lot more confident in myself after getting on these calls with like-minded people and talking to them about their work and showing some of my work and sort of this back and forth that we've got going. Basically what we're trying to do is just create an environment where we can all become aware of each other and each other's projects and just provide support in sort of whatever way is like needed at the time. And so, we've all sort of got our own projects going where we're sort of acting as like the directors, but we've also got all the support of each other. And so we've got this really nice like sort of network thing going on where each of us sort of has a foot in each other's projects, and we're all sort of like helping together, and so everything's sort of crossing over. And I think it's early days yet, but I think it's going to yield some really interesting results. We'll see sort of as time goes on, but yeah, we're practicing getting good at like just frictionlessly working with each other and bringing our unique sort of talents and gifts to the forefront of each project, so that rather than like each project being a sort of isolated thing where it's like you've got somebody at the top and then they employ a bunch of people to just like do what you tell them. Instead, what we've got is we've got all these creative people who are sort of coming to the table with their unique individual talents and then sort of cross-pollinating every project with that gift. And so basically what we get is a whole set of projects, like a whole group of projects that have sort of emerged out of the same ecosystem of talents and are all interwoven with they're like a tapestry of all the different talents of all the people that are involved in the group. So that's sort of where we're at the moment, and we're looking for more people to join that. We've got about 12 in our circle right now. We do them every week at about 10 a.m. on a Tuesday, Melbourne time. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please reach out to me via a DM. We're looking for more people to get in, and so you can do a show and tell and get some feedback on your game, or you could just sit in and just listen if you want sort of like mentoring kind of thing. You're more than welcome to like just sit in the back and just listen to the things that we talk about and sort of learn by osmosis. So that's the weekly developer circles. So that's what I did today. I've done a little bit of development, but not too much. I didn't sleep too well last night, so I'm just on the computer now, and I've tried to just get I can't zoom in while the camera's like that. I've tried to just get at least one thing in the game, so we've got a little bit of progress. But I'll jump on the computer and I'll show you that now. So this is the state of Voidtender at the moment. Not much has changed since yesterday, but what I have done is I'll just show you this new realm that I've built. I've got an idea for a new realm. Let me see if I can. Let's take that off screen for a sec while I find my little board. I've got a few ideas. We're gonna have 12 realms in Voidtender, and here's sort of some of the inspiration for some of the realms. So you would have seen in the previous video, we're working on some MC Escher sort of shit. But yeah, today I wanted to explore some sort of heavenly stuff with some of this like biblically accurate angel sort of shit. They look absolutely terrifying, sort of hideous and a bit disgusting. But also very, very, very cool. So, and yeah, that's what I've done today. So let me just walk into this world and I'll show you. I'm a little bit inspired by the idea of Dante's Inferno as well, so I'll talk to you about that in a sec. But here's our biblically accurate angel. So you can take photos of the different eyes and things, or take a photo of the thing as a whole. I don't know how I'm going to set up the achievements for that yet. But basically I've done 9 layers of hell just here, like in Dante's Inferno, and I found this texture online somewhere just as a placeholder, sort of inspired by the berserk faces on the floor. So yeah, pretty horrible. But yeah, that's sort of where my head's at today, and I think I can actually climb on this thing, so why don't we try that if I just cheat and fly over a little bit. What do you reckon? Do you reckon we can land on it? Nope. What about now? Nope. Yeah, there we go. So we can climb on the thing as well. Maybe I'll make it even bigger. Yeah, it could be like part of a puzzle or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out as we go. But yeah, man, basically how it works is I've just got 3 concentric rings like that, and they've each got a rotating movement component on each of them. And basically at begin play, it just procedurally spawns eyes all the way around them and attaches them to the rings, and then that's how biblically accurate angel. And if I just change the time dilation here, I can change the rate that they spin as well. If I hit simulate, I don't think they're going to despawn those eyes, but yeah, you can sort of see what's going on there. Maybe they can spin fast like that when they're aggravated and they start to chase you down. That'd be a bit horrible, wouldn't it? If I reboot it, I think, yeah, it deletes the eyes. So yeah, that's the biblically accurate angel. So yeah, man, short and sweet today. Make sure you check out the links in the description. I've got plenty of free resources, plugins and things like that. I've got some ship for sale plugins and you know, services where I can help you make your game and whatever. I'm also happy to do like skill swaps and to, you know, do things, give or do things for free as well. You know, if your circumstances don't allow for it. It costs me nothing to distribute plugins, for example. So, you know, if you can't afford something, I'm happy to just send it over to you. I've got some new stuff on the Fab store, the Endless Rooms pack, and plenty of stuff on the Gumroad as well, like Flying AI and things like that, which I'm constantly updating because I'm always using them for my own projects. So make sure to check those out, and yeah, see you in the next video.